Hey, what's going on, everyone? New World Order Survival Guide. Today, I want to do a bit of an open box review on this Gerber Truss 17-in-1 multi-tool. Let's take a look. Now, here it is. This multi-tool, the Truss, they sell on Amazon. They come three different prices. This one was $37.99, which is 37% off. I guess it's normally $60. They have an all black. This is the gray one. They have an all black one that is $47 and some change. And then they have the same all black one with a little carry pouch like this, except for it's MOLLE accessible. This is not. And that one is going to be $55 and some change. So it's a good amount more for the MOLLE accessible and for the black one in itself. This one you can hook to your belt loop or put it on a strap on your backpack or something of that sort, vertically and horizontally. So here's the tool. Gerber makes good stuff, and at a cheaper price. I did open this and look at it and go through it. So I'm going to go over it with you guys and tell you what I think about this multi-tool. This is solid. It is a pretty good tool. The construction is well built. First thing we'll do is look at the pliers. Squeeze hard. It doesn't lock up. The needle nose. It's got 17 tools in it. Let's go over what it has. It has the needle nose. It has the standard pliers right here. It is the thickness is okay. I mean, for needle nose. Some of the Leathermans have a lot broader and thicker pliers, which I do like. This multi-tool is spring-loaded, so that's good. It does have a lanyard area right here. You can hook a lanyard to it. So let's close it up. Maybe you guys can see a little better down here. Maybe not. All right. Now let's look at some of the tools. This is the standard knife. To me, this knife is a little small. It's a little sharp. It could use some sharpening. The knife part, to me, nothing to brag about. Like I said, it's a little too small. It's my pinky. Yeah. So, and then it has these little clip things. You pull in, push it back out. Let's see what else. Get all these up so then I can push down time. Okay. This has a little ruler in millimeters and inches. I don't know what the hell you use that for. Hopefully this camera's picking it up. And it does have I believe this one is the medium size flathead screwdriver. On the other side, it has a little file. Not very big file, but it can do the job for little small tasks. This, I think they call this an awl, AWL. I didn't even know what the hell that was, and I had to look it up online, and it doesn't look anything like this, so I'm not sure what you use that for. So here you have a mini flathead screwdriver at the tip of that. You have a bottle opener and a can opener. So it's like 3 tools in one on this. Here we have scissors. Let's see how this works. These ain't bad. For multi-tools, that's decent little scissors. They're strong. They're not trying to separate the two blades. Let me try to cut a piece of paper. Yeah, it does pretty good for multi-tool scissors. Not bad. So you put it back, you want to extend that all the way up. Put it back in there. That's that side. This side, you have a serrated knife. They say it's the fully serrated. You got some uses for serrated knives. I'm just not a huge fan of them. So let's get some of these up. I mean, right off the bat, this is not bad for the money. This right here, yeah, it feels kind of sharp. It's good. This knife. This right here is the large So you have a small, medium, and large flathead. This would be the large. And I'm not sure what that is. That might be a little can opener, a bottle opener, or something right there. Let's see. Then you have the cross driver or Phillips screwdriver, which that feels sturdy to me. It's got some good length on it. That's a good addition to this. Then you have the saw. Saws are always kind of shoddy on multi-tools. Let's see how this cuts. That's actually not bad. If I can get a better hold on this thing, I can cut it a lot better, a lot more efficient. But I mean, yeah, that's pretty good. That did a lot better than I thought it was. So, not bad for the saw. The sheath is great. I guess that, I believe it's the nylon or something. Good, strong Velcro. You know, nothing extravagant, but good. This, I'd say, because you talk about Leathermans. Leathermans are freaking expensive. They're like $200. I've seen Leathermans at $1,000. Those are those crazy ones, but it's, I don't know. This is great for camping and stuff like that. Great brand, very reputable. And these Gerbers, just like all the multi-tools and stuff, have a limited lifetime warranty. I believe off of defectiveness, craftsmanship, and stuff like that. Lifetime. And they come with a case. A lot or most of Leathermans don't come with a case. They don't even have a clip or nothing that you can hook on your belt, pocket, whatever. So $40, this is $37.99, $40 for this. Very high rated. It's like a 4.7. Like almost 8,000 views off of Amazon. I got this one because I Googled quality, best rated multi-tool, and this is what popped up on number one on a couple of different ones. I guess it's basically a budget type friendly, but very high rated. This is a good multi-tool. I like Leathermans because they have the bigger blade, the bigger file, has bigger saw. They're way better, and their pliers are a lot bigger and stronger. But damn, $200 on average for a Leatherman, and you don't get a case, you don't get nothing, you just gotta throw that shit in your pocket or something. I don't know, man. You think with that price they would throw in some at least this quality of case, or put a clip on there or something. I'm yet to buy a Leatherman, and I don't know if I want to, because that thing, multi-tools, you'll use some of the stuff maybe some of the time, but how often is it used for the majority? I like carrying a separate knife. This I paid $25 for. I did a show on this a few shows back. Nothing spectacular about this. Does have engraving, New World Order Survival Guide. I don't know if this stupid camera can pick it up, but I have tons of knives, but I'm just making a point, man. So Gerber, Truss, 17-in-1 EDC everyday carry multi-tool. I say it's definitely worth it. If you're really trying to get maximum out of your multi-tool, like it's going to be your main thing, and you're going to rely on the knife, the saw, and stuff like that, you might want to take in consideration that these are kind of small, but for the price, I mean, you could buy 5 of these to one $200 Leatherman. So maybe as a beginner, for your son or daughter or something like that, this would be great. It's always good to have a backup. 2 is 1, 1 is none type deal. This ain't bad. This is worth it, and with the limited lifetime warranty on it, it makes it a lot worth it. They stand by their craftsmanship pretty good, which Leatherman I don't think does that. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think they do that, the lifetime warranty. So this one's $37.99 on Amazon. I believe it's a sale. I don't know. It's been there for a while, and it's still the same price as mentioned. Like I said, $55 for the black with the molly pouch, $47 for this with just the same deal right here, just a black color on the tool. So my little review, open box review, just got this today. I'm gonna test this out, and then I'll probably do a follow-up show later down the road, see how it holds up. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. New World Order Survival Guy. Catch you on the next one.